Hello there. Welcome to this quick video on how to use our platform to receive donation. This is specifically tailored for nonprofits, and we'll have a different video for brands. And this video will walk through how you can easily get set up and start benefiting from our donation relief efforts. Let's dive in. Get started on our platform. First things first, your profit needs to be a part of our network in order for you to receive the donations from this LA fire disaster relief. It's simple. Just head over to www.liquidonate.com and sign up. In this page, you should also be able to go to here. If you're not a current 501c3 nonprofit partner, please register to join our network for free. After registration, head to your dashboard to opt in to the disaster donations, and feel free to click the create account here. Next, once you are in our network, we want you to have complete control over the donations you receive, and that's why we enable this opt-in option in the nonprofit dashboard. Let's go. Here, you could go to disaster relief, preference, and you should be able to disable or enable magic match for the LA disaster relief. The reason we want to allow people to enable it because we want to make sure only the ones that are impacted by this LA fire disaster relief, basically we want the right item to receive to the right nonprofits. Once you have confirmed your participation to the LA fire disaster relief, you are ready to receive our magic match as well. Here, I'm going to show you a few things. This is the categories. It means that so how our magic match works is that whenever there's a brand that makes certain donations to certain categories, we actually instantly match it to you based on a few parameters, one of it being like what are your needs, how close are you to the brands, those kind of thing. So please choose the categories that fits and the categories that you want to receive items from. Here, if you scroll down, we want you to also let us know whether or not you can accept unboxed large items and pallets at your holding location. If you don't, you can't, leave it as is. If you do, click on this switch and it'll turn so you can accept pallets at your holding location. The final preference here is whether or not you actually have a warehouse. We understand with this disaster relief effort, you might need more things than what your current holding location have, and that's fine. We have a partner, and our partner are willing to actually share their warehouse with us. Shout out to Packsmith. So if you don't have a holding location, your items will be sent to our partner's warehouse, and you can actually organize your logistics of picking up these items directly from our warehouse. But if you actually have a holding location, switch it on and say you will receive items at your own holding locations. So how do you put your locations in? Just go details and the address right here. This would be the address that you will receive the holding your items at if you turn that button on. So that's on preference. Next, we move to the needs list. Here, you should be able to actually curate your own need list. So why is this need list important? As we see from this LA fire, from TikTok, from social media, nonprofits have been receiving too many clothes, and they don't need that many clothes. They actually need more of other items, for example bottle of water. So in order for us to be able to match it perfectly for you, we would love you to actually curate your own need list and add your items here. So if you see here, we have bottle of water, which category it falls into, how many bottle of water you need. You can make it approximately. We want to make sure, in this case, everyone is receiving items too. So um, make sure you have like an approximate quantity to it. So how do you add to your need list? Click plus. It's very easy. Talk about, for example, includes some of our some of the young kids need more clothing needs, and then we can see here clothing kids, and then we can say you probably need smaller number here just to handle the kids. So click on add item, and that's it. It's here. And with that, we can actually go to our curated list. It's app.liquidonate.com/disaster hyphen relief slash LA Fire 2025. I'll share the URL with you in the location. Here the brands individuals would be able to see your need list. So if you see here, let me refresh it. There you go. So they would be able to see your need list and be able to actually donate directly to your need list. Yeah. So feel free to have any feel free to ask any questions. We're happy to answer, and we hope our solution would be able to help you get what you need fast. Yeah, thank you.